Good morning, guys. So I am currently getting ready. I am going to help my sister take care of my niece today, and it's about 8:30 in the morning. And I literally have to be out in about a half hour. But I wanted to play around with some makeup, and the first thing I'm gonna do is take these natural face I'm out of them. I thought I had more of these, but these are the natural facial cleansing pads with tea tree oil, and they're from Trader Joe's, and I love these. So if I had these, I would be using them right now. I did cleanse my face. I just love that because it helps as a toner, but I am gonna go in with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And I'm gonna do like a chatty get ready with me. I'm not gonna really explain the products, but they will be listed down below if you're interested in knowing what I use today. I'm gonna be playing around with the Huda Beauty medium palette that looks like that. And the next thing I'm gonna do is take some of the Ordinary moisturizer, and it helps with targeted surface dehydration. So I love that. I'm gonna take some of my eye serum. If you haven't seen my skincare routine, I will have it linked for you. I explain all the products that I have been using for my skin, and this is one of my favorites. It was also in my favorites video because this stuff really works. I'm gonna do my brows next. I am using a eyebrow pencil that I got from Daiso, the Japanese store around where I live, and I actually really do like this. It was like $1.99, and it's actually really good. I'm new to these like chattier vlogs, and I wanted to do like a get ready with me. I'm gonna also share my complete outfit once I finish, so stay tuned if you want to see what I'm wearing today. This brow pencil is a little redder than I would typically use, but I still like the job it does. My lighting is a little... This takes out any redness that the brows color has, and I just love this brow gel. I was able to get my hands on the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. Let me tell you, I had 3 phones going. My fiance, I was on like 1,000,001. I was on Beautylish and the Jeffree Star website. Unfortunately, a lot of you know that the Jeffree Star website crashed, which is crazy. But I went on Beautylish and I was able to get mine like 2 minutes after it went live. So I'm so excited to get that. So I took a little bit of concealer and I put that all over the lid, and now I'm gonna jump right into the palette. I'm actually gonna take this light pink shade. These 2 shades actually are the 2 shades that I'm gonna use, and those are gonna go right into my crease. I'm gonna take the lighter pink first. I just love Huda's shadows because they blend so beautifully and you can create just beautiful looks, and they're not too crazy. And they're not too expensive either. Like, I love these little palettes. My mom was asking me what did I need the Jeffree Star palette for, and I was like, it's a collector's piece, and she was just like, really? It's not a collector's piece. Actually, instead of that darker pink, I'm gonna go in with this brown. Mix those two together. Okay, the next color I'm gonna use is this really pretty gold color, which looks like that. And this I'm actually just gonna use with my finger and put it all over. Ooh, you see it's a pretty nice little copper tone. Going back in with that pinkier shade just to blend out the corners, or the edges, the edges. The Huda Nude Medium palette does not have a good, or doesn't have like a brow bone color, so I'm gonna go into my Persona Identity palette and just put this on the brow bone. Like that, and then I'm gonna take for the inner corner this Sassy shade, which is like a light goldish color, and this is just going to be popped right into the inner corner of my eye. The next thing I'm going to do is deepen up the lash line, like getting really close to it. So I'm going to take the darker shade in the palette. I don't have the names because it doesn't say, but it's just this darker shade right here. Right here. I'm gonna go in with my Kush mascara by Milk. Like that. I'm gonna clean up the under eye, finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and share with you, finish up the eyes, the under eyes, and then share with you my outfit. So I'm gonna be right back. Let me finish all this, and yeah, stay tuned if you want to see the finished look. So to finish up the eyes, I'm going to take this color right here, like the medium tone brown, and a little bit of the darker color, and run that right underneath, and then put some mascara. So I'm actually rushing right now. The last thing I'm gonna do is use this NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lipstick. I finished my makeup and now I'm gonna come back and share with you my outfit. I'm so tired, you guys. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning and I'm just exhausted. My makeup, I did film. I feel like it lasted pretty long. I mean, I was with my niece, I was playing, I was hugging, I was kissing. So a lot of it did rub off, but I really like the way like the eyeshadow came out. So, I'm so tired. I'm making the taquitos in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. But yeah, guys, I think that is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna take a shower and just relax for the rest of the day and edit the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video and a quick little get ready with me, I'm listening to Alex, learning to be fearless. But if that's something, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know if I introduced myself in the beginning, but my name is Jani, and I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion videos. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, be seeing you.